What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walker. And we're going to jump into this today with number one on my list. Oh boy, she's hail damaged. A 2015 Nissan Rogue. Yeah, let me tell you, the hail did a number on this old girl, man. 106,000 miles, so she didn't have that many miles on her. Look, this may be the first time I've ever seen this. Hold on. Did you catch it yet? Look at the hubcap. The hail destroyed the hubcap. Yeah. Took out the back window. I mean, this thing is in real. Oh my goodness. Okay, so not only is it hail, hold on. This may actually be a car. This is a car wreck. This isn't from hail. This isn't from hail. It was involved in an accident. Okay, they fixed this door with body filler. Can't tell how much they used, but this door was fixed with body filler. This door was scheduled to be replaced. Why would insurance try to fix a car that should already be totaled for hail damage? Or here's another idea. What if it wasn't hail damaged? Because it doesn't make sense. An insurance company would have looked at this and be like, this car is already totaled. Like, we're not going to do anything for you. It's already totaled from hail. What if it went in for body work? And say the body shop was waiting on parts or something, and then it got caught in a hailstorm at the body shop, at which point the insurance company already paid to start repairing it, and then they totaled it out because of the hail. Now, that would make a lot more sense, because an insurance company would have seen all this hail damage before, and there's no way they would have told these guys to start repairing it. As you can see, they've already started taking things apart. They de-trimmed it. The mirror is gone, door handle, and they've already performed body work over here. So obviously, the insurance company gave the okay to start repairing it. And then I'm guessing it must have been sitting outside or something. And, well, you know, the rest is history. Of course it was sitting outside. Hail doesn't happen indoors. Anyway, there it is, man. There it is. Boy, the insurance company had to be mad. They had to be mad. They got hit twice on this car, man. They probably already had ordered parts, already started paying for the work. And then, look at that back there. Look at that. I mean, it looks like cannons were fired through the back window. That is crazy. That is crazy. Now, with that said, it could still be a great vehicle for some, but boy, this one needs work. This one needs work. You got tons of body damage from hail. You've also got body damage from an accident. Oh, she does fire right up, though. I mean, no issue. Castrol. Someone was changing the oil like they were supposed to. Steering feels very nice. Brakes feel good. Important window works. Well, that one's not going to work. There ain't nothing hooked up. All the stuff's been taken off of that door, so we know that one's not going to work. Oh, man. Okay, she does run well, though. Right into reverse. Right into drive. This is going to be a CVT, though, isn't it? Doesn't everything Nissan make have CVTs? Like, everything. This is not bad, though. I really like this. I'll give Nissan this, I will. Their seats are some of the most comfortable seats I've ever sat in. When I had that 2012 or 2013 Nissan Altima SR with 3.5, even though it was a CVT, she had plenty of get up and go, guys. Like, that car would just get it. It moved. The CVT felt weird, but it worked well. I really did enjoy it. It got great fuel economy, and these seats remind me of that Altima. Just big, thick, comfortable seats. They are very supportive. So as much trash as people talk on Nissan, and I agree, their CVTs are absolutely horrible, you are going to be hard pressed to find a car that's as comfortable, or an SUV that's going to be as comfortable as one of these in this price range. That's a fact. That's a fact. Like, when you start getting as comfortable as this, and people are going to laugh, but you're getting into like Range Rover territory. Ask me how I know, because I've had a few Range Rovers, all right? I've had a couple Land Rovers. I've had some nice vehicles, S63, AMG, Hellcats, 2 of them. I'm here to tell you, I've had a lot of cars in my day, and there is really just something about the way Nissan builds their seats, man. The rest of the car doesn't even matter. As soon as you sit in one of those seats, it's like you're sold. You forget all about the CVT. You forget about all the other quirks and issues that these things might have. The seats are just so damn comfortable, you never want to get out. So next on my list is a 2009 Dodge Challenger, and I believe this is an SRT8. The odd thing, though, is this damage was not here when I looked at it. So I don't know what happened. I have no idea what happened here, but like, I'm actually seriously considering bidding on this car, and this wasn't here. This was not here. I'm sure of it. We'll pull up the app here in a minute. I may still throw a bid on it anyway. I don't know what it's at, but I know that the bike now was $6,900 on it. It's got 116,000 miles on the odometer, and I really was considering putting a bid on it. Now, you saw the thumbnail, right? And she's got some issues. Somebody has just randomly come in here and cut the quarter panels apart. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Somebody came literally just cut the skin right off. Well, I'm going to assume that she must have taken a nice little hit in the back, and they were probably doing this to try to see if this inner structure had been damaged somewhere. Now, on this side, I don't see any metal that is folded up or anything. I'm looking back here, and you can see she took a little damage right here, a little more right here, and a little more over here as well. Nothing that looks severe, nothing that looks too serious. But yeah, they really did. They cut the quarters right off. I'm going to assume maybe the quarters had been bent. I don't know, like, everything looks good. Everything back here looks good, except for this middle piece right here where it's pushed in a little bit. Everything else looks pretty, right there, huh? What do you guys think? That looks severely, this is severely bowed out. So, we got frame damage, don't we? That, I believe, should be flat. Look how it's pushed in like this. Look at this. Yeah, she's kinked. All right. Well, now it's starting to make a little more sense. See, these are things that I didn't see in the pictures. Oh, yeah, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, for sure. For sure. Well, dang. Let's take a look at the other side. Maybe I missed something over here, or maybe there's no damage over here. I don't think there is. Everything over here looks good. It looks like it's all okay over here. Yeah, everything on this side is fine, except for a little bend right there. Oh boy, I'll tell you what, this thing, it mess you up. It'll mess you up. I still may consider putting a bid on it. Yeah, I really might. I don't know why I would, but she got power. She run. It's a 6.1 liter in this, if I remember correctly. Does she start? Nope, she does not start. I think the hood is already popped. Nope, it's not. It's just bent. I really don't remember that damage. I don't. The back bumper is just laying on the concrete, getting tore up. Oh! Yeah. Man, the back bumper is all scratched up. All right. Come on. Woo! Oh, man. Well, I don't know about you, but that's nice. That thing looks nice. I guarantee you, this thing sounds mean. I can't wait to fire it up. I really can't. Oh, look, we got an Instagram. Those.Challies. Those.Challies. Okay. Well, we're going to have to fire this bad boy up. I'm going to have to do this without without holding the camera, guys, because the hood is trying to fall on me. Give me a minute. We'll come back and fire this old girl up. All right, she's got boost. Let's see what she does. Oh, man. Whatever happened to this, that fender is into the door now. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Woo. Oh, she sounds good. She sounds real good. $6,900 for this. Oh, man. And I was talking about how comfortable the seats in that Nissan are, and I'm here to tell you the Challenger is just like it, man. I mean, the seats are so comfortable in this car. You could drive this thing on a cross-country road trip and it wouldn't faze you, I guarantee it. Put it in gear. Yep. Yep, forward and backward, of course. I expected as much. Battery is really, really, really dead, as you can see. Wow. I thought the exhaust on my Hellcat was loud. Yeah, I don't think this has got mufflers on it at all. Oh. Okay. Well, I guess it decided it was done running. Guess that's fine. We'll go ahead and just shut the boost pack off then. Yeah, I'll be the first to admit, man, this sucker sounds good. This sucker sounds real, real nice. See, has it got headers or is that stock? No, she's got headers. Yep, she's got JBA headers on her. Yep, yep. All right, well, here's what I want to do, guys. I do think I'm going to go ahead and throw a quick bid on it, just for fun. Because this thing was sitting at like $100 yesterday. And also, I want to double check. I may be wrong. Maybe I missed this damage. I doubt it, but it's possible that I just missed it. But I mean, it is folded. The fender is creased right here in the middle, buckled, and it's put this fender into the door. Look how tight that is. So that's damaged. The hood is damaged. This front bumper, I don't remember this. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick and see if that damage was there or not. All right, guys, here it is. 2009 Challenger SRT8, minimum bid, estimated retail value, $19,500, rear end damage, salvage title, 6.1. Let's take a look at these pictures real quick. No, that was not damaged. Nope, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, I knew the rear end damage, obviously, I knew about that, and I had a feeling it was going to be buckled in the back somewhere. That's why they cut the skin off of it. But right there, yeah, that adds a whole nother layer of parts and money that's got to go into this thing. Current bid, though, yeah, $100 with a buy it now of $6,900. I'm going to go ahead and just for fun. We're never going to get it for this price, but let's just throw a bid on it. Look at that. We're winning it for $125. Next on my list, we got a 2017 Ford F-150. Took a little crunch in the front here. We'll see how bad this is. The frame rail is right here, so it looks like the frame rail may have actually avoided the majority of the damage. It's going to be very difficult to see. Let me see if I can get you guys in there, but you can see the frame rail right there. The damage is quite literally over here on this side. Now that's not a guarantee. There really might be some frame damage under here. I'm not going to be able to tell from here, and neither will you. I can't even get you in there. So kind of good. You're taking a risk, man. Good luck on this one. Let's see how it looks over here though. Ooh, yeah. Well, you can see it was pushed back as well because this door looks like it has been into this fender more than a few times. Obviously, the gaps are going to be all over the place. What has she got? The EcoBoost? Yep. Oh, wow. The battery is upside down. That's not something you see every day. Okay. Maybe I can try to get that battery you know, turned right side back up. I mean, it obviously took a very hard hit, guys, and it was at an angle, cornered like this. So there is a real possibility that there could be frame damage. The whole front may have been shifted over that way. And the more I look at it, the more I'm betting that's the case. Look at the gaps here. Look how loose they are over here. And this side is pushed out a tad from the door, whereas the other side has really, really tight gaps and has been pushed in to the door. The gaps were so tight that it was literally into the door, and the door has now crunched it. So, yep, probably got a tweaked frame then. That sucks. But that's why I come out here and look, guys. You can't get that kind of detail from pictures. You know, you really got to come out and look at these things. 121,000 miles. Someone broke the window there. I didn't see that on the pictures either. Look at that. Wow. All right. It looks like someone just came and just tapped it with something. Oh, that sucks. Aside from the obvious damage, she looks pretty good. The tires are decent. Let's take a quick peek at the interior again before we start it. We'll check in the back here. Take a quick look. Cloth seats, lots of room. Smells decent. Doesn't smell great, but I mean, it does smell decent. She got some miles on it. She used to be a business truck. There's writing all over it that's been removed. Lots of dings all over. Like, it looks like somebody was beating on it with something. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just calling it as I see it, man. Oh, system off to save battery. Well, that's nice. How about we just throw a key in it real quick? It does fire right up. She sure does. Oh, the seats are comfortable in this too. Really nice seats. Man, what happened there? The steering feels all right. It does. Brakes are okay. Moves backwards. Moves forwards. Nice little infotainment system down there. Climate control. Plenty of room. Plenty of room. I still like my Ram better though. I do. I still like my Ram better. Normally we'd be does it work, but I'm not gonna move that window at all. It's like it was being taken care of by Firestone. We've seen that many times out here. She runs great. Steering assist fault. Service required. Okay. So she's complaining about power steering as well. Yeah, she's really complaining about the power steering. It's still a nice truck, or at least it was. I'm going to put my money on frame damage on this one, guys. Is it worth fixing? Sure. Trucks are worth a fortune, man. These things hold their value. Even salvage and rebuilt ones, they're still worth a ton of money. As much as I really want to try to flip that battery over, I am terrified that if I do something, I'm going to end up grounding out the positive or something, and it's going to be something that I can't fix. So because of that, I'm not going to touch the battery. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it alone, because if you short that thing out, you're going to be holding the battery while that happens, trying to get it straightened out. I don't want that responsibility, so I'm going to leave this one, even though normally I wouldn't. But on this particular one, I'm just going to leave it exactly the way I found it. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button, and if not, well, hit the thumbs down button. Drop your comments below. What was your favorite car in this video? Stay safe out there, everybody. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.